Import Markdown to Notion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, opening your preferred browser and letting it load fully so you can start fresh. Move to the search bar at the top of the window and press it to activate the typing area. Type Notion into the search bar and then press Enter so the browser can process the search. When the results show up, select the first web option that appears on your screen and wait for the page to open. Inside Notion, you will see the login and sign-in options, so continue by logging in or signing in with your existing account. After you successfully sign in, look to the left side of the screen for the private section where your personal pages are stored. Inside this area, press the plus button on the right to create a new page. Once the new page opens, shift your focus to the top right corner where you will see 3 dots. Click the 3 dots and a list of different options will appear for you to choose from. In that list, find the Import option and select it. A small menu will appear on your screen with several import choices, and you should select Markdown from that menu. After choosing Markdown, the Import menu will appear again with a Choose File button. Press Choose File so a file window can appear on your screen. When the window opens, browse through your folders to search for the Markdown file you want to bring into Notion. Take your time and make sure you select the correct file. When you find it, click it once to highlight it, and then press Open so Notion can load it into the import panel. After the file is loaded, press Continue to start the import process. At this point, let Notion process your Markdown file without interrupting it, so everything transfers smoothly. The duration of the process will depend on the size of your file, so give it a moment to finish. When the import process is complete, a button will appear giving you the option to go to Import. Click Go to Import so you can see the final result. Once you open it, you will be able to view the Markdown content that was brought into your Notion page exactly as processed.